Welcome to PPK Pharma tutorial YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about syllabus copy of BPharmacy 3rd semester R19 syllabus. Before going to this video, it is somewhat lengthy video. It contains syllabus copy of 4 subjects in detail explanation, and share this video to your friends and click on like button and subscribe our channel PPK Pharma tutorial and support us. Now we'll go into this video. First, the first subject is Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 2. Subject to code is PP 301T. In this subject we have 5 units. The first unit is benzene and its derivatives. Under this we need to learn the analytical, synthetic and other evidences in the derivation of the structure of benzene. Means we need to learn analytical synthesis for benzene and also orbital picture, resonance of benzene, aromatic characters and also Huckel's rules also we need to learn. Next, reactions of benzene like nitration, sulfonation, halogenation reactivity, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and limitations of Friedel-Crafts alkylation. These all reactions are very important. Next, substituents, effect of substituents on reactivity, orientation of monosubstituents benzene compounds towards electrophile substitution reactions, etc. And also structures for DDT, saccharin, BHC and also chloramine. These structures they may ask for 2 marks, or combination of 2 structures they ask for 5 marks. Second unit is, under that it is subdivided into 3 topics, that is phenols, aromatic amines and aromatic acids. In phenols, we need to learn the acidity of phenols, effect of substituents on acidity of phenols, also qualitative test of phenols and also structure and uses of phenol, cresol, ricresol, naphthols. These all structures may ask for 2 marks, or combination of 2 structures may ask for 5 marks. Next, aromatic amines. Under that, basicity of amines. It's a very important topic. It asked in the 2nd semester also, basicity of amines. But here we need to learn the basicity of aromatic amines. Okay, there we learn the basicity of amines. Next, effect of substituents on the basicity and synthesis and uses of aryl diogenum salt. Next, aromatic acids. Acidity of aromatic acid, effect of substituents and acidity on important reactions of benzoic acid. Next, third unit, that is fats and oils. Under that we need to learn the fatty acids, reactions of fatty acids, hydrolysis, hydrogenation, saponification and rancidity of oils and dry oils. And the third part is analytical constant, that is acid value, saponification value, ester value, iodine value, acetyl value, RM value, significance and principles involved in their determinations. The fourth one is polynuclear hydrocarbon, that is synthesis and reactions of polynuclear hydrocarbons, structure and medical use of naphthalene, phenanthrene, anthracene, diphenyl, methane, triphenyl methane and their derivatives. These all structures are very important. Okay, you go through it. This medicinal uses. Next, unit 5, cycloalkanes, stabilities, Breyer-Stein theory, limitations of Breyer-Stein theory, and they may ask the combination of these 2 topics. Second question, they like state the Bayer's theory and their limitations. Okay, next, Coles and Moffat's modification, Sanchez-Morse theory, reactions of cyclopropane and cyclobutane only. Next subject is physical pharmaceutics. Physical pharmaceutics, the subject code is BP 302T PP1, we also known as in short form. The first unit is solubility of drugs. In this we need to learn the solubility expression, mechanism of solvents, interactions, ideal solubility, parameter, solvation and association, qualitative approach to the factors influencing solubility of drugs, diffusion principles in biological system, solubility of gases in liquids, solubility of liquids, Raoult's law, real solution, partially miscible liquids, critical solution, temperature and applications for critical solutions, and also distribution law and its limitation and application. In overall first unit, I will say some important questions are the topics which you need to learn. The first is solubility of gas in liquids and liquids in liquids, Raoult's law. It's very important. They may ask for 2 marks or 5 marks or even for 10 marks. Raoult's law. Next also distribution law. Okay, these are the important topics in unit 1. Next, unit 2, under that, states of matter and properties of matter. Unit 2 learn the states of matter, change in the states of matter, latent heat, vapor pressure, sublimation. Sublimation they may ask for 2 marks or also 5 marks. You remember that. Next, critical point, utility mixture also important topic. Gases, aerosols, inhalers, relative humidity, liquid complexes, liquid crystals, gaseous state, solid crystalline, amorphous, polymorphism. In this we need to learn the eutectic mixture, sublimation, inhalers, and aerosols. Okay, next, amorphous and polymorphism. These are the important topics. Next, physicochemical, physicochemical properties of drug molecule. Another refractive index, optical rotation, dielectric constant, dielectric moment, dissociation constant, determination and its applications. In this we need to learn the all questions only. All are important. Okay. Next, the third unit is surface and interfacial phenomena. Under that, liquid interface, surface and interfacial tension, surface free energy, measurement of surface and interfacial tensions, spreading coefficient, absorption of liquid interfaces, surface active agents, HLB scale, solubilization, detergency, adsorption at solid interface. Here HLB scale is very important. Next we'll go for fourth unit, remaining also you need to learn. Next fourth unit, complexation and protein binding. Another introduction, classification of complexation, application, methods of analysis, protein binding, complexations of and drug actions, crystalline structure of complexes, and thermodynamic treatment of stability constant. Next unit 5, another unit learn the pH buffer and isotonic solutions. Another Sorman's pH scale, pH determination, applications of bifurcation, buffer capacity, buffers in pharmaceuticals and biological systems, and also buffers in isotonic solutions. This is the overall physical pharmacy topics. Next, unit 3 or subject 3 is PP203 pharmaceutical microbiology. Another unit 1, unit 1 the introduction, history of microbiology and its branches, scope and its important, and also introduction to prokaryotes and eukaryotes, structure of ultrastructure and morphological classification of bacteria, nutritional requirements, raw material used for culture media, and also physical parameters for growth and growth curve, isolation preservation methods for cultures, culture media, and cultivation of anaerobes, also qualitative measurement for bacterial growth. And also we later in the study of different types of phases, phase constructs microscopy like dark field microscopy and electron microscopy. In unit 2 we need to learn the identification of bacteria using staining techniques and biochemical test, study principle, procedure, merits and demerits and applications of physical and chemical gaseous radiations and mechanical method of sterilization. And also in second unit learn the evaluation of the efficiency of sterilization method, equipments employed in large scale sterilization. And unit 3 unit learn the study of morphology, classification, reproduction and cultivation of fungi and viruses, classification and mode of action of disinfectants, factors influencing disinfections and antiseptic and their evaluations, and also for bacteriostatic and bactericidal actions, evaluation of bactericidal and bacteriostatics, sterility test of products according to Indian Pharmacopoeia, British Pharmacopoeia, and USP Pharmacopoeia. In Unit 4, we need to learn the designing of an aseptic area, laminar flow equipments, study of different sources of contaminations in aseptic areas and methods for preparations and clean area classification, and also principle and method of different microbiological assays. Means different microbiologicals we need to assay, means we need to check their purity. Okay, next method for standardization of antibiotics, vitamins and amino acids, assessment of new antibiotics. Next, the fifth unit and final unit is types of spoilage, factors affecting the microbial spoilage of pharmaceutical products, sources and types of microbial contaminants, assessment of microbial contaminant and spoilage, and preservation of pharmaceutical products using antimicrobial agents, evaluation of microbial stability of formulations. And fifth unit, we need to learn the growth of animal cells in culture, general procedure for cell culture, primary, established and transferred cell cultures, application of cell cultures in pharmaceutical industries and research, Introduction to Organic Chemistry, Laboratory Techniques by using PAV Lampio Crease. This is the overall microbiological syllabus. Next, in pharmaceutical engineering is a large subject that is BP 304T. Under that, we need to learn in the unit 1, we need to learn flow of fluids. Under that, unit 1 is divided to 3 topics: flow of fluids, size reduction, size separation. In flow of fluids, we need to learn the types of manometers, Reynolds number and its significance, Bernoulli's theorem and its applications, energy losses, orifice meter, Venturi meter, Pitot tube and rotometer. Size reduction, we need to learn objection mechanism, laws governing size reduction, principle, construction, working, merits, demerits of hammer mill, ball mill, fluid energy mill, edge runner mill, and runner mill. In size separation, we need to learn the objectives, applications, mechanism of size reduction, official separation, official standardized powder, sieves, size separation, principle, construction, working, uses, merits, demerits of sieve shaker, cyclone separator, air separator, bag filter, and filtration tank. And our second unit is again divided into 3 subunits, that is heat transfer, evaporation, distillation. Under heat transfer, we need to learn the objectives, applications, and heat transfer mechanism. First law, heat transfer by conduction, convection, and radiation, heat interchanges and heat exchanges. Next, under evaporation, we need to learn the objectives, applications, and factors influencing evaporation, difference between evaporation and other heat products, also principle, construction, working, uses, merits, and demerits of steam jacketed kettle, horizontal tube evaporator, carbide film evaporator, forced circulation on evaporator, multiple effect evaporator, and also economy of multiple effect evaporators. Now, distillation, basic principles and methodology of simple distillation, flash distillation, fractional distillation, and molecular distillation. Unit 3 is divided into 2 subunits. One is drying and another one is mixing. In drying, objectives, application, and mechanism of drying processes, measurements and applications of equilibrium, moisture content, and rate of drying curves, principle, construction, working, merits, demerits of tray dryers, drum dryers, spray dryers, fluid bed dryers, vacuum dryers, freeze dryers. Under mixing, objectives, application, factors affecting mixing, difference between solids and liquid mixing, mechanism of solid mixing and liquid mixing, and semi-solid mixings. Okay, next, principle, construction, working, uses, merits, demerits of double cone blender, Finchel blender, ribbon blender, sigma blade blender, mixer. Okay, planetary mixer, propellers, turbines, pedals, and also silver sun emulsifier. And our fourth unit is divided into 2 subunits. That the first one is filtration and the second one is centrifugation. Filtration, objectives, applications, theories, and factors influencing filtration, filter aids, filter medias, principal, construction, working, uses, merits, and demerits of plate and frame filter, filter leaf, rotatory drum filter, meta filter, cartridge filter, membrane filter, and sheets filter. Under centrifugation, objectives, principles, and applications of centrifugation, principles, construction, working, uses, merits, and demerits of perforated basket, centrifuge, non-perforated basket, centrifuge, semi-continuous centrifuge, and super centrifuge. Fifth unit, materials of pharmaceutical plant construction and corrosion and its prevention. Under that, we need to learn the factors affecting during material selected for pharmaceutical plant constructions and theories of corrosion, types of corrosions and their preventions, ferrous and non-ferrous metals, inorganic and non-inorganic metals, basic material handling system. This is the overall BPharm-C third semester university exam subject syllabus. Thanks for watching this video to your friends. Share this video to your friends and subscribe our channel PPK Pharma Tutorial. Thank you to all. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata ki Jai.